Hi, welcome to the Fam Show. My name is Chef Lando, owner of Enclave. In this episode, we're going to be talking about an ancient fruit that is finally making its comeback for its nutrient-dense and anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, it's insanely delicious. If you check out our Famcast show with Chef Drew Bent, we've already shared a delicious salsa recipe made with them. And this fam ingredient is Physalis Peruviana, aka the Inca berry. Physalis Peruviana actually goes by many names besides the Inca berry. It goes by Peruvian ground cherry, poha berry, husk cherry, Cape gooseberry, and more popularly here in the States known as golden berries. In Colombia, uchava. In Spanish, aguamanto. In French, amour en cage, just translated to love in a cage. And in Quechua, the indigenous people primarily living in the Peruvian Andes, topo topo. There's been a recent effort to realign this lost Inca treasure to its native environment in Peru, rebranded as Pichu berry, meant to conjure images of Machu Picchu, and it's registered trademark by the Mojo Tree Farm in South America. Not to be confused by the gooseberry, Inca berries belong to the nightshade family and cousin to the tomatillo. Now, like tomatillos, they are wrapped in this beautiful papery husk called a calyx that has to be removed before eating. Now, inside is a small, round, bright yellow to orange treasure that can be eaten raw, cooked, and dried like raisins. Inca berries are indigenous to the high-altitude tropical regions of South America, including the Peruvian highlands where the Inca Empire flourished. Over 800 years ago, the Incas picked this wild-growing fruit. It's unclear whether or not the Incas actually cultivated the crop at some point, but some sort of domestication is suspected. Now, there are over 80 varieties of this fruit and very commonly found in most parts of the world. Its powerful antioxidants are known to have incredible health benefits. With 20 times the amount of vitamin C than in an orange, the Inca berry boosts a very big impact. Research has suggested that it prevents cellular aging and can even delay the onset of cancer. Incredibly, it's also known as an anti-diabetic fruit because it actually reduces blood sugar by increasing insulin production. Now, by only eating 3 ounces of this power fruit, you'll meet 37% of your daily required vitamin A, 18% of your recommended vitamin C. Now, we haven't even got to the best part. It's insanely delicious. When you pop one in your mouth, these sweet and tangy flavors of guava, mango, and pineapple burst in your mouth, and you can't help but feel surprised of how good it tastes. It's literally the quintessential tastiest version of nature's candy. The lost Inca treasure is a nutrient-rich, sweet, and juicy surprise.